In beginners lesson number 23, you have 90 everyday English sentences. By practicing each one of them, your English will become better. Join as members of the channel if you want more benefits in your English journey. Let us begin our practice. This lesson teaches you to practice everyday English sentences. Let us begin. What is the date today? Today is the 23rd of April. Could you tell me the time? It is 5:30. Do you mean 5:30? Yes, that's another way of saying it. What are you doing now? I am reading a book. Is it a novel or a self-help book? It is a book of short stories. Are the stories interesting? Yes, if you like detective stories. I am not very fond of detective stories. What kind of stories do you like? My first choice is science fiction. That's fascinating. Have you read any good science fiction recently? I just completed Aldous Huxley's Brave New World. Where are you going now? I'm going to buy a good science fiction book. I can recommend a bookshop, the Book Lovers Club. But that is very far from here. Why don't you search online? You may get a wide variety there. That's a good suggestion. I'll do that. I need to go and prepare dinner now. What are you planning to make? First, I'll check the vegetables in the fridge. Then I'll decide what dishes to prepare. When do you usually have your dinner? At about 7 or 7:15 in the evening. Does everyone in your family eat at the same time? Yes, dinner is the time all of us meet and chat. Do you think it will rain now? I don't think it will. The sky has been overcast from morning, but not a drop of rain has fallen yet. I heard some loud cracks of thunder. If you stand near the window, you will see lightning. It's possible that some place nearby has had some rain. We have had too much rain this year. They say it's the effect of global warming. That's why summers are hotter. Yes, and there's excessive snowfall in winter. Do you know what a snowstorm is called? I think it is called a blizzard. Your English is excellent. Actually, I didn't know the word blizzard earlier. Last winter, the word appeared many times in the newspaper. That's the best way to learn new words. I also learn many new words by watching films. What kind of films do you like watching? I like any film that has a good story. Then I practice my English by telling my friends the story. Don't your friends like films? Some of them do. Don't they stop you from telling them the story beforehand? Not really. I tell them only a part of the story. I don't tell them the most interesting parts. Do you watch films on TV or in the theatre? If any friend is free, we go to the theatre. That's not very often, though. Most of the time, I watch them on TV. Do you find time to watch movies every day? Oh no, maybe only once a week. I also enjoy music programs on television. Don't you watch cricket matches? Indeed, I do that without fail. Whenever there is a live telecast of cricket, I am glued to my TV. What do you mean glued? Glue is used to stick things together. From that comes the verb glued. It means that I don't move away from the TV. It is almost as though I have been stuck to the television. That is what the expression glued to the TV means. Thanks, I learned this new expression. We can learn many new expressions if we pay attention. I thought I could learn best by joining a course. But after 6 months, my speaking had not improved. The only way to improve your speaking is by speaking. No one else can teach you to speak except yourself. You are absolutely right. That is what I started doing. I began speaking English with anyone I met. In the beginning, I made many mistakes. I could not say clearly what I wanted to say. Many people made fun of me. But with practice, I have improved. That's nice. Let us meet another day and talk some more. Goodbye. With this, we come to the end of the 90 sentences. Practice them, and if you're sincere in learning, you will certainly learn. Become a member of the channel if you want more benefits. Thank you and all the best.